Where's the missing dollar? Let's see if you can spot it. You buy a shirt for $97. You borrow $50 from mom, $50 from dad. That's $100. You get $3 back in change. You give $1 to mom, $1 to dad, and keep $1. Now you owe $49 each. 49 plus 49 equals 98. You kept $1. 98 plus 1 equals 99. Where's the missing $1? Think fast. Comment your guess. Answer is, there's no missing dollar. The math is misdirected. You subtract the $1 you kept from the $98, not add it. If you can answer, please comment. Like, comment, and follow for more brain twisters.